Hello, everybody. Breaking news. This just in from about 30 minutes ago. Tony Buzbee is suing Quinn Emanuel, which is Alex Spiro's law firm. Let me pull up the Instagram post from Tony. Here it is. As you can see, it was edited only 19 minutes ago. When I looked at it at first, it did say that it was just posted. Look, 35 minutes ago posted. I don't even see this being talked about in the news yet. It is 10 a.m. on Wednesday, December 18th. Okay, so what it is a post by this woman named Marcy Bryan Croft. It says, amazing work. We are very proud to be a small part of this great team. Thank you, Rock Nation and Team Rock, for all you do. Okay, so then what does Tony Buzbee himself say? His caption is, today, the Buzbee law... Oh, girl. Today, the Buzbee law firm filed suit against Rock Nation and lawyers Marcy Croft and Quinn Emanuel for violation of various state laws, including barratry and impersonation of a public official. Girl, what is barratry? Let me just look it up. Is it like impersonating a lawyer? Fraud or gross negligence of a ship's master or crew at the expense of its owners or users. That's what they call in barratry. I've not heard that word before to my memory. Maybe I have. I don't use it. Tony Buzbee says, this case was brought on behalf of a former client of the firm who was illegally solicited by agents working on the behalf of the defendants. I'm assuming that's Marcy and Rock Nation. Okay, so Buzbee is saying that Marcy and Rock Nation they committed a crime, illegally solicited a former client of Tony Buzbee in order to sue Buzbee. Look at this. These agents pretended to be working for the state of Texas and offered the former client money to sue Buzbee, the law firm. This illegal conduct has happened more than 24 times and has resulted in 2 utterly frivolous cases against the firm. The lawsuit filed today alleges, this is Buzbee, he filed a lawsuit today. He sued Rock Nation today. The lawsuit filed today alleges that the defendant's conspiracy is intended to obstruct justice and prevent the Buzbee law firm from pursuing cases related to the Diddy litigation in New York. This conduct isn't just alleged, Buzbee says. It was caught on tape. Defendant Marcy Croft, who describes herself on social media as a part of Team Rock, is orchestrating the conspiracy along with assistance from defendant Quinn Emanuel. As you can see from the screenshot, Croft, Quinn Emanuel, and Rock Nation have a long working history. The suit alleges that the defendant, Rock Nation, is financing this, quote, illegal effort. As set forth in the lawsuit earlier this week, agents acting on Croft's behalf, again, were caught on tape, soliciting and offering money up to $10,000 to former clients of the Buzbee law firm to convince them to file a frivolous case against the Buzbee law firm. These folks have now stooped to a new low to try and intimidate the lawyers of the Buzbee law firm from doing their important work. They are now contacting clients and former clients and actually offering them money to sue me. Buzbee said this conduct was specifically targeted at our firm, so we would not pursue cases related to the Diddy litigation. Buzbee says this was posted 35 minutes ago, 40 minutes ago. He says, let me be clear in all caps. We will not be bullied or intimidated. The defendants this time overstepped, got sloppy, and stupidly got caught at their illegal scheme on tape. We have reported this conduct to the authorities and intend to cooperate with the authorities to ensure all involved are prosecuted to the full extent allowed under Texas law. This is a developing story. I have looked for the lawsuit. I did take a brief look through Pacer. I looked for Marcy Croft, and I also looked for Quinn Emanuel, and I also looked for Rock Nation as a defendant. So far as on the PACER, on the federal search for the website, I have not been able to find this lawsuit, but Buzbee said he just filed it today. Okay. He just filed the lawsuit today. It is a developing story. I will be keeping up with it, but this is something that I wanted to get out very quickly so that I could let y'all know stuff is going on. Before 10 a.m. even rolled around in the morning, Buzbee was up. He was on Instagram. Let me look and see if he posted anything on Twitter, because a lot of times he'll post something on Instagram and then within 30 minutes or whatever, he'll be posting on Twitter. So this is his Twitter account. I do not see that he's posted anything yet. The last time he posted was over a week ago, but he did say, this is the last thing he posted on Twitter. Look, investigators from New York have called many of our law firm's current and former clients. What they didn't anticipate was one of the clients decided to record the conversation. It's shocking and illegal. Here's a portion taken. In a couple days, maybe next week, anyone Google Buzbee and his company, they're going to get litigation, okay? They're going into litigation, okay? What we're trying to do, we're trying to put this thing together for the company that we're working for. We could get you paid. We could get you money right soon, you know? You could get money right soon, you know? We gave this kid $1,000 to start yesterday just to get him on the right path. And at the end of the day, this is going to go through the courts. Buzbee is getting sued. These guys are on tape offering to pay clients to sue our law firm. And then he did put pictures up of these guys. That's not it. It's this one. Look, this is one of the guys they put pictures up of. So he hasn't posted on Twitter yet about the lawsuit. I can imagine the lawsuit's going to be hitting the docket in PDF form anytime today. This is a developing story. I will be back to read that court document, or at least summarize it and let y'all know what it says in it. But I'm feeling like we might have started 6 degrees away from Lou Taylor, and I feel like maybe we're at least 5 away now. I don't know why. I just smell the Lou Taylor stench, in my opinion, and I can't wait for her to get what she has coming as far as karma is concerned. Please nobody contact anybody mentioned in this video. Please do not send hate to them. This is meant to talk about the news, talk about some breaking stories that are going on, and talk about issues of extreme high public importance. Best disinfectant is sunlight, or whatever Tony Buzbee says. Now look, listen, that doesn't mean that I agree with everything Tony Buzbee does. I don't believe everything Tony Buzbee says. But he claims that he has pictures. He claims he has evidence on video. And so I am looking forward to seeing the exhibits attached to the back of this lawsuit. That's all I really had for this one. In the meantime, facts ain't defamation. Love you, minute. Okay, bye.